Did you know that optimal health doesn't just randomly fall into your lap? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing about taking medications, following fad diets, or trying supplements. And while those things can be important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that will help you regain control of your digestive health, energy levels, and confidence. So, I'm Dr. Krista, a naturopathic doctor who has been through my own health struggles, especially related to my gut. I struggled with bloating, stomach pain, digestive issues for years before discovering the actual root cause and transforming my health. When I finally did, I was able to feel like myself again, eat what I wanted, have all day energy, and also went from being so bloated that I looked pregnant to getting rid of my stomach problems and eventually actually getting pregnant. Now that I have control over my health, I can give my all to my 1-year-old son and my husband, Dr. Adam. So, what's the big idea here? The big idea is that your digestive problems are unique to your gut type. Generic approaches simply don't work because they don't address the root cause of your specific gut issues. That means one size fits all diets, medications, and even supplements are usually not your best solution for your body. So, I'm going to share with you 3 secrets about how our gut type solution can help you to actually get results. And I know what you're thinking. I've tried so many things already and nothing has worked. All of those supplements, medications, diets, fasting. But first of all, the truth is that, like so many women struggling with digestive problems and fatigue, you might be missing some key pieces to the puzzle. And second, you may have tried these things in bits and pieces before, but never all together in one comprehensive and integrated system. That's where the magic happens. Okay, so the first secret is this. The reason why you haven't been able to heal is that you don't know your gut type. There are 3 gut types: inflamed, sensitive, and sluggish. Understanding which is your primary gut type is the key to addressing the root cause of your symptoms. This means that not all gut problems are the same. Treating all gut issues the same way leads to mediocre results, if any. But figuring out your gut type opens the door to targeted and personalized healing. This is important because most approaches are too generic. And when you finally know your gut type, you've taken the first step toward healing. The second secret is that your gut will never heal until you address the 3 types of stress: physical, chemical, and emotional. These stressors keep your body in a constant state of distress. And we all have stress, but the way it shows up in everyone's life is unique. The key here is that stress has a very real effect on your body, and it sabotages your gut health, even if you're eating well or following the right protocols. Most women don't realize that stress comes in these many different forms and that it deeply affects your gut. The third secret is our system for healing, the 3-step system called the gut type solution. The 3 steps are reveal, release, and restore. After we reveal your primary gut type, we can then release all 3 types of stress: emotional, physical, and chemical, that are showing up in your life and impacting your health. Next, we restore the damaged and dysfunctional tissues in your gut, your liver, and other organs to repair and bring them back to normal function so you can finally feel balanced and energized. It's the ultimate solution to heal your gut, boost confidence in yourself, give you all day energy, and perhaps most importantly, maintain that improvement long term. The big shift here is that healing your gut requires a structured step-by-step system. There is no single magic pill or one-size-fits-all solution, but this system pulls everything together: your gut type, your stressors, and the process to ensure sustained health. And it will work most effectively when we individualize each of these elements to your specific symptoms and unique situation. Now, remember that if you're still wondering how this is different from the many things you have tried before, the tricky thing is that while you've tried things here and there, you've likely never done them all together in an integrated system. What makes this special is that it's not just about fixing one piece of the puzzle. It's a complete interconnected system where every piece is used at the same time, in the right way and in the right order, with the support of a doctor and coach. So the first step is to do a deep dive 1-hour private session called the Gut Relief Consultation. In this session together, we will uncover the root causes of your digestive problems that have been holding you back and create an individualized, natural plan to eliminate bloating, stomach problems, and fatigue for good. We typically value this consult at $347, but we're bringing that down to just $47 as a thank you for taking the time to train yourself here now about this unique approach. I also have 2 bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, the gut type assessment. This is a targeted questionnaire that will help us identify whether your gut is inflamed, sluggish, or sensitive. This is key because it helps us determine your unique gut type to ensure that all the other work we do together will be effective. And bonus number 2, a free copy of my ebook, Your Time to Thrive, packed with actionable steps to take your health and well-being to the next level. These bonuses are included for free when you book your consultation with me. What all this will do for you is get you to the best path to finally eliminate your bloating, give you more energy, and help you feel confident and at ease eating again. And I, as a doctor and a coach who has spent years helping similar women after struggling with the same issues myself, am here to give you expert feedback and get you started with truly fixing your health so you can finally heal your gut and enjoy life without constant discomfort and worry. All we need to do is sit down together to take a deep dive into your health picture. So book your gut relief consultation with me today to start on your path to better gut health once and for all. Now, I don't know how much longer we'll keep this offer available, and the price may go up because, as you know, functional medicine is in such high demand these days, so don't wait. Contact us to book your consult and take the first step toward feeling normal in your body again. We're always here to help, and I can't even start to tell you about all the amazing results we've created with women just like you who have been struggling with digestive problems and fatigue. I can't wait to see you on the inside.